In this weather for two, some of us who are one, this is how we are dealing with it with Uji. So guys, spend an afternoon with me, just clearing out my house. So I'm starting with this living room. I had traveled for a week and I unpacked in this living room. You can tell that I was in an Airbnb because of all the food stuff containers that are there, and I unpacked everything in the living room. Sasa here I was just trying to reset everything so that I start my week on a high note with a clean house. So this is where we are. So I'll start by removing everything that is here. I'll just remove everything that is here, and then we go ahead and clean this living room step by step until we finish. So guys, how is the weather at your place? Because where I live in Embakasi, Maze, it's bad. Like the roads are impassable. Kwanza our side of the estate, it is not flooding per se, but it has these huge potholes filled with water, and also ukipita hapo you have to be very careful, and we are dealing with it. So guys, we are in Nairobi lakini bado tunavaa gumboots, and hopefully, who knows, God will give us a better place to move to in the coming future. I think this is the ideal time for anybody who wants to move from their places. So guys, I have just cleared the I don't know, those are side tables or something, and I had my breakfast. Hiyo uji ilikuwa ya kuonja. So this was my breakfast. That is tea, some eggs and cassava. So once I finished eating, I just continue with the cleaning. And guys, if you're new here, karibu sana. On this channel, I normally do DIY videos, a bit of travel videos, and cleaning also. I'm just trying to diversify because, these streets are hard, my friend. So yeah, a little bit of variety is good. So this is my philodendron. I'm trying to propagate it for some friends because they wanted to have some. So you just put them in water and you put in a sunny spot, and after a while they will gain the roots, and then you can transplant them now in soil. So we are halfway done with the cleaning. Imebaki tu kufagia, and after kufagia, this is the living room, guys. I hope that imekuwa fitting. Yeah, I love a clean place. Another thing also is that I am selling all the furniture that you are seeing in this living room in this video. So that is the dining table, the couch, that tire table, and I'm also selling this side, the one that has a computer, that table, and this cabinet here. So I'm technically selling everything. If you are interested, you can just comment down below. And so the weather still is bad, but sasa tufanyeje? We shall just deal with it. We shall deal with the weather. So I will proceed now to wash my clothes. And you can come along with me as I wash the clothes. Tell me why the price of water is so high where I live. Guys, we are paying like 300 bob per unit. So sometimes when I get the chance, I use rainwater because my house likely is near, I don't know, it's a gutter or something. So when it rains, sometimes I collect the water and use it for washing my clothes. And because this day it rained, that is the water that I had gotten. So I'll be washing these clothes, and once I'm done, washing, we'll be clearing this place and see how it goes. So please come along with me. I washed like 4 whole buckets, and it was like 3 lines or 4 lines of clothes. So guys, if you're new, please remember to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos and to support me.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side, coming back inside my body for a second. There is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at?
Now I'm done washing all the clothes and clearing this space. These buckets, I think I'll keep them here, but normally they stay on the balcony. But because of the current rains, the balcony kind of gets rained on and the buckets get dirty, and I don't want to keep on washing them, so I'll keep them there. So now we go to the kitchen, just clearing up. I had made some eggs, and I had made some tea also, so I had some dirty utensils. So this is what we're gonna do next. We're going to clear the sink and clear the tabletops and wash everything to sparklingly clean. And yeah, thank you so much for staying put up to this time. Yeah,
Right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on the beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying solo. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 what's your mind type? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single second.
so guys, after washing the utensils, that's when I made the uji. It is very tasty. It's homemade flour. I really actually don't know what is the composition of it, because I was sent by my mom. Thank you so much, mom. I know that at some point you will watch this video. I really appreciate it.
Take flight. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 what's your mind type? Been telling you.
So Sundays are for leftovers, and this is the leftover rice that I have made with a mixture of vegetables, and I really love or enjoy this mixture. Yeah guys, so this is the following day, and these are all the clothes that I washed, and luckily for me today the sun is out, and hopefully my clothes will all get dried up. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video and for watching up to this point. I really appreciate you so much, and I don't take it for granted that you just came here to support me. So finally, I restocked my tissue paper. These times I make them. If you need them, you can check out my video or just give me an order. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.
Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive.